Hi folks, this is my own homemade briquette maker. A couple of bits of Dexter on a piece of metal, welded the hinge, that shuts down like that. That goes in a bucket so all the water can be squeezed into there. This bit of wood slots into there, and that comes down and squeezes it down so you can move it over so it's centered. So I'll do a little demo. All this lovely pulpy paper, slide it in there like so, and once you get to the top, push it down a bit and all the water comes out of the holes that I made in the sides of the metal, and that squidges that down, and then I can put a bit more in just to make up a nice billet. Alright, so I squidge that down, bring that over and squeeze it down until we can't get any more out. And what I normally do is empty that back into there, and that as well, and then give it another squeeze. Right, and if you noticed, I've got a bit of timber here with a little slot here, so that comes out on the hinge, that fits over the top of there, that comes over and down, and out comes the billet and the piece of wood. Voila! One nice little billet to go with all the others I've got, which is these here. And I have noticed that if you add a bit of sawdust to it, they compress better. This bit of rebar, which I cut off the top of a electric wire fence, is my mixer to mix all the pulp up in a drill. And that, my friends, is how to make a briquette so simple.